Good day, everyone. It is an honor to present a paper on this conference, a paper about sustainability of the industry sector, entrepreneurship, case study of the European mountain area. I am Brândușa Kovac, and together with a colleague of mine, Mihai Kovac, we are representing Zealandina Agency from United Kingdom, Center for Mountain Economy from the Romanian Academy, and Hyperion University. In the current pandemic context, the industry sector entrepreneurship performs as an important way of the European mountain area sustainability. Creative industry developed by the Industry 4.0 and especially we are speaking about ICT sector represent a necessity and not an option. The paper analyzed the situation of industry sector except construction in the European mountain area, proposing some sustainable solutions for this area. Analyzed countries are Austria, Bulgaria, Italy, Portugal, Romania, and Slovakia. Data has been taken from Eurostat and simulated in Excel and SPSS according to ANOVA analysis and forecasting techniques. We analyzed some other countries too, but especially these countries. Keywords: European mountain area, entrepreneurship, industry sector, sustainability. In the current paper, we presented some conjunctures and we formulated some hypotheses. Hypothesis 1, meaning alternative hypothesis, is about the probability of recession in the listed sector that is positively correlated with the central trends in these sectors. In order to calibrate, the second hypothesis were formulated, meaning age zero hypothesis or null hypothesis is the probability of a recession in listed sector to be negatively correlated, not positively, as age 1 with the central trends in these sectors for those areas where is a decreasing of activity. Method and data. Sector performed in the study are industries, construction and services except for insurance activities of companies and information and communication technology. The data presented in the paper show that the business demographics, population of active enterprises in European mountain area improved positively a lot in the last time, in particular due to employability of startups increasing. For the calculation, the authors used different variables, years 2008 and 2018, and forecasting for 2028. Enterprises active population in mountain Europe in 2018 for industry and ICT sectors were analyzed for Bulgaria, Czechia, Spain, France, Croatia, Italy, Austria, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Slovakia, and as you can see from the data, they improved a lot in the last time. Results and discussion. The data presented show that the demographics of business in mountain Europe have improved positively, especially in the context of increasing employability of startups. The central trends of the secondary and ICT sectors of the economy during the analyzed period shows that the population of the European mountain economy of active enterprises increased considerably between 2008 and 2018. The population of active enterprises presents a high degree of non-variability, which means that the results do not show a large deviation and are positive. Skewness shows a corresponding symmetrical distribution, which means that the mountain business environment begins to stabilize considerably in the analyzed period. Curtis has an agglomeration in industries, ICT being a specific sector for the European mountain area in the last 10 years. As you can see from the histograms, Bulgaria, Italy, Austria, Slovakia, Portugal, and Romania present an increasing of activity in the industry sector because the histograms were for the industry sectors and show average values of 21,000 for Bulgaria, 22,000 for Italy, 23,000 for Austria, 24,000 for Portugal, 26,000 for Romania, 44,000 for Slovakia. The central trends for these industry segments in the analyzed period shows that the activity companies in the mountain Europe for the studied industry segment increased from 2008 to 2018, even if the growth rate decreased. During the analyzed period, the hypothesis H0 reduction of activity was verified. For the industry, was verified H0. For ICT sector, Bulgaria, Italy, Austria, Slovakia, Portugal, and Romania present some averages as you can saw from the histograms and from the data. Present some increasing, considerably increasing. The curves of the distributions, as you can see, are relatively symmetrically centered, and the scores around the average are very concentrated, although the distribution is unimodal. The central trend for this sector shows that the population of mountain Europe of active enterprises in the studied sector, meaning ICT, increased from 2008 to 2018. In the analyzed period, the hypothesis H1 was verified. For 2028 forecastings show that for created models, Bulgaria, Czechia, Spain, France, Croatia, Italy, Austria, Poland, Portugal, Romania, and Slovakia, the population of active enterprises will increase considerably by 2028. According to forecasting analysis, Bulgaria, Spain, France, Austria, Portugal, Romania, and Slovakia will have considerably increases in the sector analysis for active enterprises, while the other countries will have moderate increases. The perspectives for 2028 present ascending mountain area both in terms of indicators regarding the population of active enterprises and those related to the degree of employability. The development trends of mountain entrepreneurship will be supported by major investments made for this area, but also for the repopulation of this mountain area. In conclusion, at the European level, the mountain area is considered to have a huge potential for industry and ICT applied for organic farming and human health. The air, water, soil ecosystem of this area being less polluted than the other forms of relief. In this context, mountain entrepreneurship, especially for the population, is a permanent subject of studies and application for the public and private governance of European countries. Thank you for your attention. If there are any questions, I am waiting to answer to you, or write us to the following email address presented on the screen. Thank you very much.